Hello and welcome to part 4. So in this part I'll be speaking about InsetSG a little better. So as you can see, I'm doing my smoothing groups and still InsetSG is not working fine. That's because those vertices that I just collapsed were open due to symmetry badly placed. So after fixing everything, including smoothing groups, you'll see InsetSG is working really well right now. So when you get these errors, it means that the inset amount is too big, so it intersects with the next. So after this, I will be just adjusting the shapes again. So just delete what's not right and making it again like this, and yeah, make it a little bigger. And I will be using, I don't know, maybe polygon cutter, yes, to make this top shape here. So as you can see, I'll make it super simple, and now I'll use the circle to adjust the shape like that. I will add more fillet subdivisions, adjust the scale, and we can do two things. We can delete, as you can see, those lines and make them again, or delete the faces, as I did as well, just to be a little bit more comfortable. I'll make that flat, sticking to the reference, and reach it again. I think that's the easiest way to fix something like this. There you go. I'll add a sweep loop and connect and target weld those end vertices. So I think that's enough for today's part. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.